Are you guys facing an error that says could not export YouTube video shorts? If you are, this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the YouTube shorts error. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the cause of this error can be your network issue. So the first thing we'll do is just go to our Wi-Fi and make sure that our Wi-Fi is connected and it is working fast. So after you've checked that, what you can do is you can just go to the cellular option, and if you're using your cellular mobile data, just go to data options and make sure that your low data mode is turned off. And if your low data mode is turned off, now you can export your YouTube shorts. And the other settings that we are gonna play with is the general setting right here. After you go to general, just scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. So after you go there, tap on reset iPhone and you can reset your network settings. And after you reset your network settings, the network won't be an issue when you try to export the YouTube shorts. Now, the last and final option that you can use if the previous options does not work is that you can try to restart your iPhone and your problem will get fixed. So that is basically it, guys. That is how you fix the YouTube could not export video YouTube shorts error. Thank you for watching.